In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up redirects in Tally.so. This will allow you to automatically redirect users to a specific web page after they've submitted a form. It's a great feature that can help streamline your workflow, especially if you want to direct respondents to a thank you page or additional resources. Let's dive in with this easy to follow guide. First, head over to the Tally.so website. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you'll see options for login or sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on login. Of course, if you're new to Tally, you'll want to choose sign up to create your account and get started. Assuming you're now logged in, let's navigate over to My Workspace. This area acts as your control center where you can manage all your forms. From here, you can choose to either create a new form or edit an existing one. For today's demonstration, I'll be editing an existing form, which can be a great time saver if you have already set up forms in the past. Next, you want to look for the gear icon, typically located at the top right corner of your form editor. This icon gives you access to the form settings where most of the configuration takes place. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Settings. Go ahead and click there. In the Settings panel, look for the option Redirect on Completion. This is the feature we're interested in, as it will allow you to set the redirect URL so that once someone completes your form, they'll be automatically sent to the page of your choice. Enable the redirect feature by selecting the toggle switch. Now comes the crucial part. Pasting in the URL you want your form to redirect to once submitted. This could be a thank you page, a new form, or any unique landing page based on your requirements. Make sure to double check the URL for accuracy to ensure everything runs smoothly for your form users. With your URL in place, it's time to save those all-important changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it to store your settings. This step ensures that all the modifications you made are locked in. Next, you'll want to share your perfectly set up form. Click on Share to obtain the link to your form, and then copy it. This allows you to distribute the form with your desired audience easily. Finally, don't forget to test your form. Send a test submission to check if it redirects properly to your chosen URL. This step is crucial to ensure your form behaves exactly as expected. And there you have it. Your form is now redirect ready. Setting up redirects in Tally. So it's that simple and can greatly enhance the user experience. Thanks for watching and happy form building!